How to link to hidden page in Wix website. Today I'm going to teach you how to link to a hidden page on your Wix website. This is incredibly useful when you want to create special landing pages, member-only content, or exclusive offers that aren't visible in your main navigation menu, but can still be accessed through specific buttons or images. If you want to get started on Wix, you can click on the link in the description down below. Let's begin by heading over to the Wix website and logging into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your Wix dashboard. On the left navigation menu, locate and click on Site and Mobile App. A drop-down selection will appear, giving you access to your website settings and options. From this drop-down, take a moment to preview your website settings. It's important to make sure that this is the correct website where you want to link your hidden page, especially if you're managing multiple sites under one account. Now that you've confirmed you're working on the right site, look for the Design Site button. You'll typically find this at the top part of your screen, usually beside a pen icon. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the editing interface. You'll now be directed to the Wix website editor screen. This is where all the magic happens. From here, start by locating the Pages and Menu button on the left navigation menu and click on it. This will open up the section where you can manage all your website pages. The Pages and Menu section will expand, showing you all the pages on your site. Now let's hide the page you want to link to. Hover your cursor over the specific page you wish to hide. You'll notice a three-dot icon appear, which is the More Actions button. Click on it and a small settings window will pop up. From here, click on Hide from Menu. The page will now be hidden from your main navigation, but it still exists and can be accessed through a direct link. Now that your page is hidden, let's create a way to link to it. Locate the Add Element button on the left navigation menu and click on it. Here's where you have flexibility. You have two options for linking your hidden page. You can either use an image or a button element. We'll cover both since they follow the same linking procedure. For now, click on the button element and choose any button style you like. Drag it onto your website canvas where you want it to appear. Once the button is added to your site, click on it to select it. Look for the chain icon. This is the link menu. Click on it to open the linking options. A link window will appear with various options for linking your element. You can link to pages, web addresses, sections, or even documents. From these options, click on the Page Radio button. Then, from the Page drop-down selector, simply select the page you just hid. The process for linking an image is exactly the same. Instead of using a button, you would add an image element and follow the same procedure to link it to your hidden page. And there you have it. You've successfully created a hidden page and linked it through a button or image on your Wix website. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next